Bow window installation in Redmond, WA, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bow window styles and bow window designs available, residents can choose custom bow windows that perfectly match their home's architecture. Bow window installation services in Redmond, WA, are provided by experienced bow window contractors who ensure a seamless and efficient installation process. Many homeowners choose Bow Windows Redmond specialists for their expertise and attention to detail. Energy-efficient bow windows in Redmond, WA, offer significant benefits, including reduced energy costs and improved indoor comfort. These bow window options are designed to minimize heat loss and maximize natural light, making them an excellent choice for eco-conscious homeowners. Bow window experts in Redmond, WA, can guide you in selecting the best energy-efficient bow window materials to suit your needs. Bow Windows Redmond providers often specialize in these eco-friendly solutions. Bow window installation in Redmond, WA, is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Whether it's addressing minor issues or major installations, bow window installation services in Redmond, WA, are provided by skilled professionals who ensure your windows remain in top condition. Regular bow window maintenance can prevent costly installations and extend the life of your windows. Many Bow Windows Redmond companies also offer long-term maintenance plans. Bow window replacement in Redmond, WA, is a great way to upgrade your home's appearance and functionality. With a wide range of bow window enhancements and bow window upgrades available, homeowners can choose from various bow window features to improve their home's curb appeal. Bow window replacement services in Redmond, WA, are offered by reputable bow window companies that provide high-quality products and expert installation. Choosing Bow Windows Redmond replacement specialists ensures a professional finish. Custom bow windows in Redmond, WA, allow homeowners to create a unique look that reflects their personal style. With numerous bow window styles and bow window designs to choose from, custom bow windows can be tailored to fit any home. Bow window specialists in Redmond, WA, work closely with clients to design and install windows that meet their specific requirements. Bow Windows Redmond experts excel in creating personalized designs. Bow window cost in Redmond, WA, can vary depending on the size, materials, and complexity of the installation. Bow window installation cost in Redmond, WA, is influenced by factors such as the type of bow window materials used and the expertise of the bow window contractors. For accurate pricing, it's best to consult with bow window providers in Redmond, WA, who can offer detailed estimates based on your specific project. Many Bow Windows Redmond companies provide free consultations. Bow window solutions in Redmond, WA, are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners. From traditional to contemporary bow window styles, there are numerous bow window options available to suit any taste. Bow window companies in Redmond, WA, offer a wide selection of products and services to ensure you find the perfect solution for your home. Partnering with Bow Windows Redmond suppliers guarantees a wide range of choices. Bow window features in Redmond, WA, include a variety of design elements that enhance both the interior and exterior of your home. These features can include energy-efficient glass, durable frames, and customizable finishes. Bow window providers in Redmond, WA, offer a range of bow window enhancements to help you achieve the desired look and performance for your windows. Bow Windows Redmond suppliers often carry the latest feature options. Bow Window Installation in Redmond, WA, offers a range of benefits for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency. Custom bow windows in Redmond, WA, are designed to fit your unique style and home architecture, providing a personalized touch that standard windows cannot match. Bow Window Installation experts in Redmond, WA, ensure that your new windows are installed correctly, maximizing their lifespan and performance. Working with Bow Windows Redmond professionals ensures optimal results. Energy-efficient bow windows in Redmond, WA, are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Bow Window Contractors in Redmond, WA, offer a variety of bow window styles and materials to suit any home design and budget. Bow Window Replacement in Redmond, WA, is a cost-effective solution for upgrading old, inefficient windows with modern, energy-saving options. Bow Windows Redmond installers are well versed in these upgrades. Bow Window Installation in Redmond, WA, is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Bow Window Maintenance in Redmond, WA, includes regular inspections and installations to prevent costly damage and extend the life of your windows. Bow Window Solutions in Redmond, WA, are tailored to meet the specific needs of your home, ensuring optimal performance and satisfaction. Many homeowners trust Bow Windows Redmond service providers for ongoing care. Bow Window Designs in Redmond, WA, offer a wide array of options to enhance your home's curb appeal and interior ambiance. Bow Window features in Redmond, WA, include expansive views, increased natural light, and additional seating or storage space. Bow Window Enhancements in Redmond, WA, can transform your living space, making it more inviting and functional. Bow Windows Redmond specialists can help bring these design visions to life. Bow Window Companies in Redmond, WA, provide comprehensive bow window services, from initial consultation to final installation. Bow Window Providers in Redmond, WA, are committed to delivering high-quality products and exceptional customer service. Bow Window Installation services in Redmond, WA, are designed to meet the needs of every homeowner, ensuring a seamless and stress-free experience. Partnering with Bow Windows Redmond contractors ensures professional results. Bow window cost in Redmond, WA, varies depending on the size, style, and materials chosen, but the investment is well worth the long-term benefits. Bow window options in Redmond, WA, include a variety of materials such as wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each offering unique advantages. Bow window specialists in Redmond, WA, are knowledgeable and experienced, providing expert guidance throughout the selection and installation process. Many Bow Windows Redmond firms offer flexible financing options. Bow window upgrades in Redmond, WA, can significantly enhance your home's value and appeal. Bow window experts in Redmond, WA, are dedicated to helping you choose the best options for your home and budget. Bow window installation cost in Redmond, WA, is competitive, ensuring you receive the best value for your investment. Bow Windows Redmond upgrades are often considered one of the top home improvement projects. Bow window styles in Redmond, WA, range from traditional to contemporary, allowing you to find the perfect match for your home's architecture. Bow window materials in Redmond, WA, are selected for their durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Bow window benefits in Redmond, WA, include improved energy efficiency, increased natural light, and enhanced home value. Bow Windows Redmond solutions deliver these advantages and more.